Hello traders, namaste, namaskara. Welcome to your YouTube channel, Stock Market Teacher. I'm an educator, trainer, trader, and investor in the stock market. And through this channel, I share my years of experience in the stock market, what I look at before trading or investing in the company. I do not provide any buy or sell tips. It is purely an educational video wherein I look at the companies, how I personally would analyze them, and what are the things that you need to look for before you put your hard-earned money in the market. So let's start this video, and if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe to the channel Stock Market Teacher, and if you like the video, give a thumbs up and do leave a comments in the comment section, and go through the description box and where I've mentioned a lot of details uh, regarding this channel. And also comment in the comment section what are the stocks that you need to you want me to look at, and I will do the needful. All right, so let's begin and understand which stock or which company are we looking at today. Today we are looking at a company called as Music Broadcast Limited, or also it's known as Radio City. Okay, what does Music Broadcast Limited or Radio City do? Basically, it's a subsidiary of Jagran Prakash Limited, and it runs a radio channel, Radio City. So you must have heard beautiful songs through Radio City, and it being the first FM radio broadcaster in India with 19 years of expertise in the radio industry, and it is the second largest operator in the market. So what are we looking at? So we'll just go through the financials of the company and this particular stock. Okay, so what has happened here is this: I analyzed this particular stock on August 12th, okay, and I had posted my analysis on the Twitter handle on August 12th. So if you do see that at 10 o'clock in the morning on August 12th, I analyzed the stock and I had mentioned few details. Now I would request you all to please go through the video completely and do not miss it. Watch the video completely and do give your comments in the comment section. Okay, it's very important for you to understand, and a few things that I look at, because I cannot show everything what I look at the company, and what are things I look at the charts. I cannot fully explain in this video because it will become a very long video. So what I look at, few things, few important points, and I'm going to discuss that today. So watch the video completely till the end. So music broadcast, okay, current price, it is trading at 14.2. Now when I analyze this particular stock, okay, the current price was around 12 rupees. Okay, and I have mentioned the operating profit and operating cash flow, and I have updated the chart. So what are the highlights of this company which I found it really insightful, and I found that this particular stock price is expected to move higher. Now when the chart was analyzed, or when the company was analyzed, it was trading around 12 rupees. Now it is trading nearly at 14.2. So it has nearly risen around 18% from the time I analyzed this particular stock. So 12 rupees was somewhere around here. If you look at the chart, this is the Radio City chart. This is the weekly time frame, and this is the chart that I look at. So looked at. So around 12 rupees, now it is trading at 14.2%. So it has risen nearly 19%. Okay. So it's a big move in a very short span of time. Okay, it's a big move in a very short span of time, and I'm expecting the stock price. Okay, I'm expecting the stock price to reach further up. So I'll discuss that in the later part of the video, where I expect how much potential it has more to rise. Now, one thing I liked about this particular company, and because of its chart, is because of the risk to reward. So you have to understand that every trade or every penny that you invest in the stock, the risk is associated with it. You cannot rub off the risk from your trading and investment. You have to understand the risk. So the risk was less. Okay, the risk, suppose my analysis came wrong, and if I got out of the stock, for example, I don't like the stock anymore, I would lose a small amount, but if I make it, I tend to make a bigger amount. So this is why I like the chart, because if the when the chart was trading, when the price was trading around 12 rupees, and instead of moving higher, it turned and it started going against, okay, it started going against the gravity, that is, it started going down, then I would look at exiting the stock, and the loss would be on the smaller side. So that is your risk management. See, this is a business. I keep saying in my videos, this is a business. This is not easy money here. This is not some kind of play that you come in, you put in money, you make money, you go back happy and merrily. No, it doesn't work like that. This is a business, so you have to be very shrewd about your business. You have to be very disciplined about your business, how you handle and manage the money. So that is what your risk management for you. So this is what we are looking at now, Radio City and music broadcast or music broadcast. So what I'm looking at, what I looked at the chart. Okay, let's look at the chart. So this is what it is. It is a subsidiary of Jagan Prakash, and it runs a radio channel. So now, if I look at the profit and loss statement, okay, the profit and loss statement for it. Now, if you see here, the company has been growing steadily. Okay, the company has been growing steadily. It has been making good sales. See, for any business to grow, to try to expand its network, you have to see that its sales are growing. Otherwise, it is not going to do well in future. What has happened in the past is the past, but what is expected to do in future, you can, it is very important. So I looked at this company. So if you look at the sales have been doing well. Yes, there were some downtimes as well in the market, but now again it is picking up, and that's why I like the company. And if you see also the operating profit margin, it has been for the last 2 years, it has picked up massively. Okay, it has picked up massively. In March 2022, the operating profit was at 7%. In 2023, it was at 12%. So the operating profit margin is also growing. Okay, so this is what you are looking at. And if you see the balance sheet, if you see the share capital, okay, it is at 69 crores. Okay, it is 69 crores, and it have reserves of 456 crores. And if you see the borrowings, it is very small compared to the reserves and the share capital it has. So the company is very strongly and financially placed. So it has got, the debt is very less compared to its reserves and the capital. And if you see the cash flow, the cash from operating activities is very important. If you see the cash flow is there, okay, it is making money. The money is flowing into the business through its operations. That is very important. Cash flow from operating activities. So March 2022, the cash flow was 4x there 2021. Okay, and again in 2023 it made a big rise compared to March 2023. So this is what made me to help me understand, okay, this company is financially sound, this company is doing well in terms of sales, and there are other many factors, but I cannot discuss this in the video. It is going to become a long video. Now when I went to the con call of this music broadcast limited, okay, so main points that were highlighted by the management is, see, the revenues here grew by 20% year on year to 53 crores. So a business doing 20% year on year, okay, it's excellent for the business. Okay, the revenue is growing, that means the sales are growing, so the money is coming in. And later on, how the company manages its costs and debt, and that will show up at the end of the net profit. So right, so 20 in the Q1 quarterly of financial year 2024, the revenues grew by 20 year on year. So if you see here the quarterly results, if you see June quarter 53, okay, crores was made, as compared to the June 2022 44 crores. So there was a big 20% rise. Okay, that's what it is, it mentioned in the con call as well. And it has been able to maintain a market share leadership position with a 19% market share, okay, according to the aircheck 15 market. So it is, if the leadership position is being maintained, that means the management is very is effectively managing the company, and the listeners are interested to listen to this channel. Okay, so they are entertained by this channel. Okay, and about 41% of all radio advertisers, the advertisers that come to Radio City, and they market their products, they advertise their products, okay, and services, it's around 41% it's served by the company. So that is huge. Okay, that's huge. Another thing which I liked about the company is it secured 37% of the new clients who advertise, okay, on the radio for the first time. So many newcomers in the market, those who want to product advertise or market their products, okay, the new clients are grown by 37%. So this is massive. So what my personal belief on the company is that the market price was showing signs of turnaround when I did this analysis on August 12th, and now it is up by 19%. The company seems to be at the forefront of digital revolution in India. Okay, so see, you are looking at digital marketing, you are looking at the ad, and the marketing revenues growing through, because we are in the digit age. So you see the revenues, and it's revolutionizing, it is growing in India. And you see when the country is growing, and you also see the revolution happening in India, and its liquidity positions remain strong and expected to grow in the coming quarters. So in the coming quarters, based on the con call, what I analyzed is the revenues are growing, and it is going to grow stronger in the coming quarters. So that gave me, along with the understanding that the company is strong financially, it is really doing well in terms of its sales, the operating profit margin is growing, okay, and it is well placed in terms of its balance sheet as well. Okay, it's got 456 crores and 69 crores as in the balance sheet, 98 where a small debt that is there in the market, and it has got fixed assets. Okay, so the company is financially placed and it is doing well in terms of the revenue. That's why I like this particular stock. Okay, and this was the stock I expect to do much further, to go higher from 14%. So where I expect the stock to go higher, okay, till how long? So if you see here, I expect the stock from 12 rupees. So it was trading at 12 rupees when I analyzed. So I expect the stock to make 88 to 90% move. Now from 14 rupees, I expect the stock to make another 69 to 70% move on the upside. Okay, that is the expectation from the market. Will it go more higher? Well, that's the market's job to decide whether it will make this much higher. But presently, based on the financial, based on the company's performance, I expect the stock price to make another 70% more higher on its share price. So this is what I'm looking at, the Radiocity and or the Music Broadcast Limited. So these are the things that I look at. Few things, because there are other things which I look at, but I cannot explain them. There's a few things which I look at: the market, which I look at the financial, which I look at the chart, and then I see, analyze, and I try to educate through the video or through the Twitter handle. So this is the company that expect the stock price to move higher from here on. But it's not going to happen immediately. It's going to take time. It's going to move at its own perils. Nobody can dictate it. Nobody can pray and say let the stock price move higher fast. No, it's going to happen. Not going to happen. It will take its own sweet time, and that is where the patience comes into the market. It will test your patience, right? All right, guys. So this is the chart for you, the Radiocity, the music broadcast, and the financials that I have discussed. So I hope this video has been, enlightening for you in regards to understand how the what are the things that we look at in the market, the financials, and the chart. So please give a thumbs up to the video, and if you have not subscribed, do subscribe to this channel, and I will update many more videos in the days to come. Thank you for watching.